breaking the wall of dates production losses. Aladin Khantouch, Falling Walls Lab, Tunisia.
The man in the picture is Uncle Mohammed. He is a date farmer from Tunisia. And every season he used to bring us some dates, but in 2018 season, he did not. By asking him, I knew that he was dealing with some workers to pollinate his palms, but they did not come. In fact, a date palm is a dioecious plant that requires to be climbed on average 3 times every season to be pollinated within 3 days since every blooming, which is a very risky and time-pressed job that workers would not risk their lives for only $1 to climb 20 meters palm tree. Besides, a dust spider that had attacked the majority of the crop, and he discovered this very late due to the high length of palm trees. My name is Aladin, and I've got the solution. I've got the magical lamp, and I bring you the solution. It's a smart pollination drone. It's smart because it can recognize palm trees. It navigates the oasis, and it pollinates them autonomously using artificial intelligence. Using this new proven technique, we can pollinate 1,200 palm trees a day using only 1 drone instead of 12 by hand. So it's fast. And it's 100% efficient and economizes up to 60% of the pollen use and is a human-safe method. As it provides high detailed photos of each palm trees to assess its phytosanitary status and detect anomalies and ensure an early intervention and containment. As it estimates the production, that helps improving and estimating the value of the production. Ladies and gentlemen, the dates industry is in a real crisis and the solution is available. So what are you waiting for to invest in it? Thank you.